How to add friends on Roblox. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can add friends on Roblox. The first thing you want to do is open the Roblox app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now find the option of connect, tap on that. Tap on the search bar and here you want to search for people that you want to add as friends. Now you will find different results over here. Go ahead and select the account that you want to add as your friend. Once you tap on that, you will find the option of add friend or add connection. All you want to do is simply tap on that option. Now the connection request has been sent. Once this account accepts the invitation, you will be added as friends. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.